There you go. This is the finished Jamaican build. This differential will be going to Jamaica. And if you followed the previous video, you would have seen how rusty and corroded this rear was. You see the axle stubs look really great, and they are the originals to the rear. It's hard to tell, but there is an etching in this axle stub that actually has the, there you go, you can see it now. That is the part number or item number from that import-exporter that sent this differential in. Is etched into that axle stub. But yeah, it came out really good. Looks great. Even that fill bolt came out super nice. The vent. And heading down to the Caribbean very soon. Thanks for watching.